Good afternoon, 4S1, 4S3. Nice to meet you again in another new week. Okay, as you already know, right, your final year exam, Form 4 final year exam will be held next January. First week when you all come back to school, you all have to sit for your final exam, you know. So remember that now. So you all still need to prepare, study as usual lah, because your final exam this year will postpone to next year, January. January, first week, you come back, so sit for exam, the final year exam. Okay? So be ready, everyone. Okay, So now I want to continue. Okay, then someone now only come in. Okay, wait. Can you take out your paper, your last lesson paper, the mirror, curve mirror paper now? Okay. Then the last few questions, the essay question, I want to finish it up. Okay, I share with you now. Okay, come. Can see the screen or not, class? Can you all see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So nice to meet everyone again. Can hear the sound or not? Can hear now? Okay. If you all cannot hear now, you have to increase your volume lah. Okay. From time to time, I will pause and then I ask you question. You all listen. Okay. Here. I'm sure everyone already know, right? Your school exam will be held once you all go back to school. You know, that means by January. January, everyone go back to school, right? Immediately, you will have your exam. The Form 4 final year exam will be held next January. So meaning that you all must get ready also, you know. Even during holiday, already so it's very clear. Can you see the paper?
Okay.
Okay. Question 22. Okay, we start with question 22. Okay, look at question 22, class. Okay, please take out your paper. If you don't have a paper with you now, this last set of paper not finished yet now. Okay, question 22. Take out the paper, everyone. Figure show the position of an object and the image formed by plane mirror. Okay, so of course, first thing you draw the diagram now. Okay. The method of drawing the diagram, you should know okay. So this is an object. So actually, you can use a easier method to do Use a ruler, draw this line and this line. Then from here, connect to object, and put up the arrow. This all. Okay. To get a more accurate drawing, you do like this. Use a ruler. From here, you draw this straight line. Straight, but here make sure it's dot. And here another line go into the eyes. So you draw 1, 2, these two lines first. And then only you connect one here, connect another one here. This is a normal line. So once you completed already, so it's very clear. You can see from here. The light from the object hit the mirror and then reflected. The light from the object hit the mirror, get reflected. But your eyes see in a straight line. So your eyes always see the object here. So this is an image. Okay? So please complete your diagram now. You can use a shortcut method as I told you just now like that. You draw these two straight lines first. Okay? Then only draw these two. Okay? Like that, your diagram will be more accurate. Then, wait, 4S1, 4S3. Can see or not?
Can
see now. Okay. Can follow the diagram. Draw the diagram. Then you answer the question. Done or not, everyone? Sao Kang? Sao Kang ah? Can you hear me ah? Sao Kang?
Can.
Can ah? Okay. Vivian, can you hear me? Vivian?
Yes, sir.
Have we finished the diagram, Vivian?
Done.
Okay, good. Okay, Then we move to next question. Our next question will be long questions, okay? Okay, come, question 24. Okay, let's look at a table first, okay? Object placed at a distant u from the concave mirror. This is concave mirror. Table show the characteristics. Okay, one part of the thing given condition here, same sign. See, when an object distant 30 cm, you get same size image. Few weeks ago, you already know lah. When it is same size, mean immediately you must write u got 2f. Okay, every time you see same size, straight away you jump to this conclusion. Object distance u equal to f. Object distance now 30 cm. So you can find the focal length now. So now the focal length is 15. Then you can see here. Focal length is 15. Here u is 10. 10 smaller than 15. So it's u smaller than f here. When u smaller than f, you know the answer here, right? You can refer back to your table, you check. Here, use 20. 20 bigger than the f, but smaller than 2f. Correct not? 20 bigger than the 15 here, but smaller than 2f. So between this one, 1f, 2f, then you write the answer here. And the last one, 40. 40 is object distance bigger than 2f. F is 15, 2f is only 30. This is 40 40 is bigger than 2f lah. So when u bigger than 2f, what are the answer? Okay, you can write. Okay, please write it now. Everyone, refer to your table, go and check concave mirror, like you have a conclusion, all the table in all the characteristic inside the table, right? Refer to the table, write all the answer here. Now you can refer, it's in the exam, you cannot refer already, you have to refer to your brain here. Okay, fill up the table, everyone, fill up the table first. Okay, everyone referring to your previous notes, okay, check the table, go and write all the characteristics put inside here. U smaller than f, what are the characteristics? U between 1f, 2f, what are the characteristics? Fill it up, okay? All right, I will call your name to give me answer. No, don't run away now. Okay, I will be here one, I'm not going away, I stay here. Even though I let you see the video only, but I'm still around here. I never run away now. So please get ready when I call your name so you answer. Okay. Okay, ready or not? Finish. Okay, first person, Caleb, can you please come up, Caleb? Caleb,
Yes, sir.
Caleb, can you answer the first one? U smaller f, what is the answer?
Virtual image, upright and magnified.
Virtual upright magnify. Okay, yes, correct. Virtual upright magnify. Okay, first one. Ping Hao, you get the same answer or not, Ping Hao?
Yes.
Okay, Ping Hao, now can you answer the second one? Liao Ping Hao, between 1f, 2f.
Inverted real and magnified.
Inverted real and magnify. Yes, okay. Inverted real, magnify. Yeah. Okay, then the last one I want to call this Liu Jia Jia. Are you there? Liu Jia Jia?
Yes, sir.
Liu Jia Jia, can you answer the last one?
Real inverted diminished.
Real, inverted, and diminished. Yes, correct. So everything correct. Okay, All right, I think we finished this one. Okay, come, we move on to the next part. Please name the light phenomenon that involved to form the image by the mirror. Mirror form image through what phenomenon? One answer. How mirror form the image? Tian Liang, can you answer?
Reflection.
Yes, reflection. Yes, very good, Tian Liang. Reflection. Mirror reflect the light, okay? Through reflecting the light, then you can form the image, right? Mirror. Mirror is reflection, but lens is refraction, F-R-A-C, so remember that. Mirror reflect, but lens, the lens, prism like that, refract the light. Okay, come, let us question now. Dennis, can you come out, please? Dennis, Dennis not there. Okay, Ho Wan Yin, can you come out, please? Ho Wan Yin.
Yes, sir.
Ho Wan Yin, can you answer my question now? Mirror, how mirror form image and how lens form image? Can you answer the question, Ho Wan Yin? How mirror form the image?
By reflection.
Yes, correct. Mirror by reflection. Then what about lens? Like concave lens, convex lens. How the lens form? Again, come again.
Refraction.
Yes, correct. Okay, thank you very much for one in. Okay, so remember that, mirror reflect, LEC. Okay, lens refract, FRAC. Different, Okay, come, let's move on. Okay, next, this one we already calculated. We already calculated the focal length 15 cm. So it's here. So just put the answer here lah. Focal length 15 cm. Okay. Next, give the reason for your answer. How to give the reason? Give the reason for this answer. Why the answer is 15 now? What reason you want to give here? What reason? Nicole. Okay, Nicole. Nicole, can you tell me why? What reason you can say F equal to 15 there? What reason, Nicole? Nicole.
When U is equal to 30, the image form is
Jenny,
reinverted and symmetric.
what is the reason? Jenny? Why you can say the answer focal length 15?
Because
why?
2F is 30, then 1F 15.
Yes, correct. Very good. Okay, now like that, because same size as an object, then when image same size as an object, right? Then you can say U equal to 2F. When U equal to 2F, then your F is 15 . Okay, that's the reason . Okay, Nicole, you answer already. Just now, Nicole Chua.
Yeah.
Never mind. Actually, inside the video, I call the one is Nicole Tan. It's okay. Never mind. Nicole, you can answer also okay. That means it proves that you are paying attention. Thank you, Nicole Chua. Because the image is same size as the object, then you can say U equal to F. Okay. Okay, next one, the table completed already. And the final one asks you to draw Object placed at a distance 50 cm from concave mirror M. M is which one, eh? M is with the focal length 15 cm one, correct not? 15 cm. Focal length 15. Now, object placed at 50 cm more. So how you draw it? M focal length 15. Now the object 50 cm. So you do like this now. Okay, very, very fast. Okay. So you see here, you draw a line. So this is 1F, 15. 2F is 30, right? And your 50 cm is here. The object is very far. Okay, your concave mirror is here. Concave mirror. 1F 15, 2F is 30. Now object 50 cm. So you put outside here. So you draw two lines up. One horizontal, reflect through focal point. Another one, the light go to the focal point, get reflected horizontally, intersecting point here. So this is an image you get, okay? So this is a diagram, okay? Understand it, understand the diagram, Okay, hurry up, finish up the diagram. Okay, done with the diagram. I hope everyone there don't chabut, don't chabut or don't do something else, okay? You need to have self-discipline, okay? Self-discipline is very important, Student, wait, self-discipline, remember. Okay, Chloe? Okay. 5. Of image if the concave mirror replaced by allow the people or not, Chloe? Alaya, are you there?
Real, inverted, and
Real, inverted, and one more?
diminish.
Yes, correct. Diminish. So the answer is real, inverted, diminish. Okay, so the answer here. Inverted, diminish, and real. Yeah. And last part of the question. What is the characteristics of image if the concave mirror replaced by convex? You should know the answer already. Told you many times. Convex mirror. If convex mirror, what should be the characteristics? Convex mirror always produce the same characteristics, same one. So what are the characteristics if you change to convex mirror? One answer. You convex, change to convex. So what are the characteristics? Can someone answer? Okay, let me call this Angel. Angel, can you come out, please? Angel. Angel. If convex, what are the answer?
Virtual, upright, diminish.
Virtual,
upright,
and
diminish.
Yes, correct. Very good. Okay, thank you. Virtual, upright, diminish. Okay, if convex, so if convex, the answer is virtual, upright, diminish. Okay. Okay, after this, everybody get ready with a piece of foolscap paper to answer one long essay question. You must learn how to answer essay question, you know. Okay? Can you take out one piece of foolscap paper, everybody? You need a foolscap paper. Don't jot down the answer on this piece of paper. Not enough one. You have to learn how to write on foolscap paper. This one is essay question. Okay, wait. You also must get ready foolscap paper because the essay question must write on foolscap paper. Okay? Get ready your foolscap paper now, everyone. Okay? Yeah? Ready or not? The last question. On foolscap paper, later I might ask, call your name, I ask you to on your camera, show me your paper. And then only you know. Better get ready with your paper. Later I'll ask you to call on your camera, show me your paper. Can Leong? Can or not? Can Leong? You got paper or not? Can Leong? Can on camera show me? Can Leong? On your camera, show me your paper. Okay. A camera or not? I see his hand only. Yeah, okay, thank you. Good. Can Leong, you have your paper. Never show your face. Can Leong? Okay. Now, Mike, you show you got paper can already. Okay, come, let's answer the question. Figure show the parallel ray of light directed towards the mirror. This is convex mirror. Concave mirror, actually, concave. Okay? Yeah. So now you see the two diagram. This one, right, curve less. This one curve more. When you see this one curve more, you see the focal length very short. When this one curve less, right, the focal length is long. Now you see the difference. And now the first question. What is focal length? Can someone answer? Write on the paper. Write on your foolscap paper. What is meant by focal length? Focal length is what? Can Leong Okay, Can Leong, come on. Since you have the paper, can you answer? Can Leong what is focal length? Focal length, I give it tips. Focal length is a distance between where and where, or it's a distance between what and what. What answer? Can Leong?
Distance between the focal point and the mirror.
And the what?
And the mirror.
Okay. This point P. P. What is the name given to P?
Pole of mirror. Pole of mirror.
Yeah, correct. Pole. Yes, correct. Thank you, Can Leong. So the answer for focal length is distance between the focal point and the pole of the mirror. It's a distance between focal point and the pole. P-O-L-E, pole, pole of the mirror. That's it, distance between the focal point and the pole of the mirror. Okay? Kylie, got it or not? Kylie?
Yes.
Kylie, can you read out your answer? What answer?
Focal length is the distance between the focal point and the pole of the mirror.
Yes, very good. Okay, very clear, Kylie. Very good. Thank you. Okay, next. Using figure AB, compare the curvature of mirror and their focal length. Curvature. What is the meaning of curvature? Compare the curvature of the focal length. The meaning of curvature is what? Okay, like this Curvature, you can say curve less, this one curve more. Okay? So you can see now the answer should be when the mirror curve more, or you say like this lah, the more the mirror curve, you write, everybody write the answer. The more the mirror curve, what happened? The more the mirror curve, when the mirror curve more, so what happened? The more the mirror curve. Shani, can you continue? Shani, the more the mirror curve. Shani, can you answer?
A.
The more the mirror curve.
The focal length mirror.
Yeah, correct. But you say like this lah. The more the mirror curve, right? The more the mirror curve, the shorter the focal length. Okay, the shorter the focal length. Okay. Okay, got the answer or not? Got the answer? Okay, come, let's call who Emily. Emily, are you there? Emily, Emily, please come out.
Yes.
Emily, can you answer? Read up your answer. What's your answer, Emily?
The more the mirror curve, the shorter the focal length.
Yes, very good, Emily. Thank you very much, Emily. Okay, everyone got the answer already, so we move on now. Yeah. Done, everyone? Okay, next one, P. P, this one is a difficult question. SPM question a bit difficult one. You see, figure shows a cross sections of the parabolic reflector used in a car headlamp. This is a headlamp in the car. They have a reflector here, this reflector. Parabolic shape reflector. The reflector function is to reflect the light. Now the bulb is here, got two bulbs here, X, Y. The light hit here get reflected, so it will reflect the light, so you can brighten longer distance, right? And now you see the headlamp has two bulbs, X and Y. X is located at the focal point, very important now, at the focal point. This one is located at the focal point. But Y above X, Y is not in the focal point. X above the focal point. So what happened then? Okay, come, I show you this one. The question asks, explain what happened to the light from the bulb when only X is switched on. You only on this one. For your knowledge, the car, right? They can on two different lamp one, if you're driving a car, you understand now. So there are two types of light. One is low light, one is high light, high beam. High beam means that the light go very far one. So this one usually not encourage you to on one, because when you on the high light, the high beam, the car from opposite coming one I cannot see. So very dangerous. So one is high beam, one is low light. Normally we on the low light only. Low light going now only brighten about 50 meters only. Okay. So there are two. What happened to the light from the bulb when X is switched on? Okay, come, I show you the diagram first. No answer, I show you the diagram. See here now. This one is bulb X, this one is bulb Y. So what happened is, see now, because bulb X is located at the focal point, so mean the light will be reflected horizontally. Reflected horizontally because this one is focal point F. Okay? Light from the focal point will reflect horizontal. Reflect horizontal. Horizontal means the light can travel long distance. Long distance, so the car can brighten very far distance, very far. So meaning that this one is high beam. high light can go very far one, very dangerous. But if you are traveling alone now in the midnight or early in the morning, no car from opposite side, then you can on this light. It's very clear, very bright. Whereas when you on another bulb, why, right? You cannot on two bulbs at the same time one. Okay, for your knowledge, you can only on one at one time. Understand now? You cannot on X and Y at the same time. No car like that one. You can only on X at one time, or you can only on Y at one time. Okay, when you on the Y does not at focal point. If not at the focal point means they reflect the light down to the road. Down to the road now. Mean the light is low light, very low one. It can brighten about 50 meters only, not far. Because when Y is not at the focal point, the light will be focused down on the road. So this kind of light will not brighten very far. Okay? So most of the time now the driver use this light only low light. Unless you want to have highlight, then you use this one. Yeah? So now can you take down diagram X and Y, take down these two diagrams, then only you write the answer. Okay, copy the diagram. Follow instruction, everyone, please. Like this, class, come. You follow what I say, to answer the question, okay? You need to do this. You draw this diagram on your phone, then you answer this one. You draw this diagram, then I give you the answer. Okay, come, you draw diagram X first. X, you draw diagram X now. Okay, draw, everyone draw. On foolscap paper, okay, draw this diagram. Then you answer part 1. Okay, draw this diagram and then answer this one. Come on. Okay, hurry up, draw the diagram X and then I give you the answer for part 1. Okay, hurry up, everyone. Do now. On foolscap paper, please. Okay, don't be lazy must practice, right? Okay, self-discipline is very important, you know. Now it's not holiday, no. School is still on, it's not holiday yet. Okay, class. Okay, finish the diagram or not? The light reflected by the reflector now, when bulb X is okay, ready. And now the answer. Under the diagram, you write this answer. Everyone follow, The light listen, okay, finish the diagram, Okay, come, write the answer. The answer for part 1, okay, you write like this, When bulb X is switched on, write the answer, Later I ask you to read out, When bulb X is switched on, the light reflected by the reflector horizontally. The light reflected by the reflector horizontally. Okay? The light reflected by the reflector horizontally. Come on. Light travel longer distance Light travel longer distance. Therefore, bigger area is brightened. Therefore, bigger area is brightened. That's all. Huh? That's answer for part 1. Got answer or not? Repeat when I ask you, so you read out your answer. Okay, come. Don't so scared lah, huh? Chao Xiang, Chao Xiang are you there? Chao Xiang?
Yes, sir.
Chao Xiang can you read out your answer, Chao Xiang?
When bulb X is switched on, the light reflected by the reflector horizontally. Light travel longer distance. Therefore, bigger area is brightened.
Yes, very good. Thank you very much, Chao Xiang. Yeah. Okay, here. Let me test one student. Okay, can I have this Liang Jianxing? Come out, Liang Jianxing 来出来。Are you there, Liang Jianxing? Liang Jianxing, now read out your answer.
When bulb X is switched on, the light refracted by the reflector horizontally. Light travel longer distance, therefore bigger area is brightened.
Yes, very good, Liang. Thank you. Okay, come, we move on to the next one. Okay, now. Okay, now we go to part 2. Part 2, you draw this diagram. Draw this diagram. You draw this, then only we answer part 2. Okay, come, draw this diagram now on the foolscap paper. Draw, okay, hurry up. Draw the diagram Y, this diagram for the bulb Y. Yeah, finish or not?
Haven't, sir.
Finish or not?
Haven't.
Huh? Haven't. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, now you can write your answer. Everyone follow. For part 2, when bulb Y is switched on, when bulb Y is switched on, the light reflected on the root surface. Light reflected on the root surface, not horizontally, is reflected on the root surface by the reflector. Light reflected on the root surface by the reflector. Okay? Light reflected on the root surface by the reflector. Come on. Light travel shorter distance. Light travel shorter distance. And therefore, only short distance is brightened. And therefore, only short distance is brightened. Okay, that's it. Yeah, everyone got the answer now. Okay, now let's hear from Lachmi Jong. Lachmi Jong, can you come up, please? Lachmi?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Lachmi, can you read out your answer loudly, please?
When bulb was on. Okay, teacher.
When bulb
When bulb Y is switched on, the light reflected on the road surface by the reflector. Light travels shorter distance, therefore only short distance is brightened.
Yes, very good. But you read too fast, Lachmi Jong. Can you read slowly now?
Okay.
One more time, slowly, one by one, okay? Come, start.
When bulb Y is switched on, the light reflected on the road surface by the reflector. Light travels shorter distance, therefore only short distance is brightened.
Yes, okay, thank you very much, Lachmi. Thank you, So I hope everyone got it already, Okay. All right, next. Mirror, no, okay. Measuring 5 times 6 to make a periscope. Using this mirror and other material, describe how you would make the periscope. Okay, explain why the image observed through the periscope not clear and suggest modification to make it clearer lah. Okay, first of all, draw a big diagram. Okay, periscope diagram. There are two pieces of mirror, right? One you put here. This one piece of mirror here. Another piece is here. The mirror. So two pieces. So using a cardboard, this is a cardboard tube. Use a cardboard to make a tube like this, L-shaped tube. Okay. Then two pieces of this mirror are fixed here. One piece here, another piece is fixed here. Okay. You draw this diagram first. Okay. Draw the diagram, label. You must label. This is mirror. This is cardboard. You must label. Okay. You draw the diagram first. Okay. Come on, everyone. Draw the diagram now. Okay. Draw and then label it. Label it cardboard, mirror, object, image. Okay. Everyone, please draw the periscope. This periscope made from mirror periscope. Okay, please do it now. Kelvin, 你们要唱歌是吗 Kelvin?
No, I banged my leg into something, sorry.
You bang on something?
I banged my table.
Okay, now my massage a bit, then okay already. People properly is here. And then this one on your diagram, you must label, On your diagram, you must label, On here, you put object. Here, you put image. Here, you put eyes, observer's eye. Eyes, I didn't draw it. The eyes is here. Observer's eyes is here. And then this one, you put cardboard. cardboard tube. This is the tube made from cardboard. Then here, this one is mirror. Okay, mirror lah. Plain mirror. Here also another piece of plain mirror. Okay, label, you must label your diagram. Because when you label properly, it helps you a lot, much easier to explain. Okay, so you must label your diagram. Follow label your diagram class. Okay, finish or not? Shall we answer the question now? Part 1 is describe how you would make the periscope. You just explain how you make it now. So ready or not, everyone? Ready? Kylie, ready or not?
Yes.
Ready? Okay, come. We start answer part 1. Part 1, we just explain how to make only. So you say like this. Follow. L-shaped tube. L-shape, we say this one L-shape lah. L-shaped tube is made from cardboard. L-shaped tube is made from cardboard. Made from cardboard. Must be a tube, you know. Okay. Okay, next you write 2 plain mirrors are fixed. 2 plain mirrors are fixed inside the tube. 2 pieces of plain mirrors are fixed inside the tube. Inside the cardboard tube, sorry. 2 pieces of plain mirrors are fixed inside the cardboard tube as shown in the diagram. Everything you just say as shown in the diagram. That's why the diagram is very important. You need to describe furthermore, you say 2 pieces of plain mirrors are fixed inside the cardboard tube as shown in the diagram. That's all. Okay? That's all. So this is how you make the periscope mark finish already. Okay? So now we go to part 2. Why part 2 not yet all. Then part 1, I think you have to explain how the light moves. Okay? Because part 2 straight away they ask you why the image is not good. So that means part 1 you need to explain how the light go in and then to form the image. Okay, so you write like this. Continue with part 1, you know. The periscope is focused. Periscope is focused to a distant object. Periscope is focused to a distant object. Comma. Light from the object. Light from the object enter into the periscope. Light from the object enter into the periscope. Light from the object enter into the periscope and is reflected twice and is reflected twice before and is reflected twice before go into the observer's eyes. Reflected twice before go into the observer's eyes. Okay, last you say like this, huh? Someone asking question, why? Can you repeat one more time? I repeat, okay, So I start from here. Light from the object enter the periscope. Light from the object enter the periscope and is reflected twice. Reflected 2 times. Reflected twice before go into the observer's eyes. Before go into the observer's eyes. Before this sentence, okay, before is like this, you say, the periscope is focused to a distant object. The periscope is focused to a distant object. Far object, distant object. Yeah, got it or not, Bim? Okay, all right. Now, not finished yet, no. Then last sentence, you should write this. The observer see an image. The observer see an image of the object behind the second mirror. Okay? Observer see the image of the object from behind the second mirror. Behind the second mirror. This one first mirror, this is second mirror. Behind the second mirror. Okay, got it? Perfectly. Mirror doesn't reflect light perfect. Now we go to part 2. Part 1, everyone finished already. Now part 2. Explain why the image observed through the periscope using mirror are not clear. This one I told you last time, right? Why it's not clear? Okay, the answer is, you write the answer. Mirror doesn't reflect light perfectly. Mirror doesn't reflect light perfectly. Lesser light enter the observer's eyes. Lesser light enter the observer's eyes. Therefore, the image is not clear. Therefore, the image is not clear. And one more answer now. One more answer you write like this lah. Mirror, periscope, mirror periscope produces multiple images. Mirror periscope produces multiple images. Okay, that's all. You know why got multiple images, right? Last lesson, I think I explained to you, right? Okay. Multiple images is because mirror can reflect light from all direction. From here, all direction it can reflect the light. So meaning that there's a lot of image can form here. All the images are overlapping each other because one direction reflect, next direction reflect. So different reflection produce different images. So you have many images formed here. All the images are overlapping each other. So it becomes multiple image. So it's not clear. Okay, all right, that's it. Got all the answer already? Okay, part 3 now. Suggest modification that can be made to periscope to produce clearer and bigger image. You want clearer and then you want bigger too. Okay, clearer, very simple. Just take out the mirror and replace with what? Kelvin, how to make it clearer? You take out the mirror and replace with what? Kelvin Lim?
Glass prism.
Yes, correct. So first answer you write like this lah. Replace the plane mirror by using glass prism. Replace the mirror by glass prism. G-L-A-S-S, glass, prism. P-R-I-S-M. Okay? You know why, right? But here it just says suggest only, no need to explain now. Why using prism here is better because prism reflect light perfectly. Perfect one. Why perfect? Because total internal reflection. You still remember or not? I think it's still here. I don't know whether it's here or not. Hold on. I try to get the diagram for you. Prism one. Prism not here. No. Previous lesson, many not in this lesson. Okay. You cannot find the picture here. Okay. Don't mind. No. You go and read the previous, I think, last 2 lessons. Prism, put prism here, right? So the light will reflect. We call it total internal reflection. We enter the glass prism and then never go out. No, the prism will reflect the light internally. So that kind of reflection is called total internal reflection. Total means 100% perfect reflection. So more light can go into the eyes also, it's brighter. Okay, that's all. Okay, next one suggestion is to make the image bigger. Okay, you want bigger image, right? So what you do is you put lens here, one convex lens here, another convex lens you put here. Put 2 pieces of convex lens. Okay, 2 pieces of convex lens. The lens will help to magnify the image. Okay, you don't need to explain. In fact, this lens can focus more light coming. More light coming, definitely it become brighter, right? So your second suggestion, you say like this, Place 2 convex lenses. Place 2 convex lenses at the 2 ends. 2 ends are END. Place 2 pieces of convex lenses at the 2 ends of the periscope. One end is here, another end is here. 2 ends are END. 2 ends. Place 2 convex lenses at 2 ends of the periscope. That's all. You put the lens here, automatically it becomes brighter, it becomes bigger. Because the lens can enlarge the image, we can make the image bigger. Okay, lens. Okay, that's all. So we have finished this one. Any question here? Anyone don't get the answer? Okay, 4 size 1, 4 size 3. So I think we have just enough time to finish the previous lesson only because 2:30 I got another meeting, so I have to get ready now. Okay, anyone haven't sent your attendance? Please type present and then send to the chat box now. Okay. And for your revision 1, okay, can you please start answer the paper? Do revision with set 1. Okay, set 1. Start answering. I will see you next lesson. Next lesson, I think, will be on tomorrow. Is it tomorrow? Tomorrow morning, I will see you again. Okay, so okay, please get ready your revision paper set 1. Okay, try to answer first. Okay, all right. So I see you tomorrow morning. Okay, class. Thank you very much, everyone. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Okay, bye-bye, bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.